Message to Em on her birthday. This was a milestone. And I was just thinking about all the good times that I had with Em, and my earliest memory is probably around 1964, and we came to pick my pretty and so nice aunt at the Vancouver airport. And I'm dating around 1964 because I'm sure there were some Beatles playing on the radio. I jumped forward to the 80s, and I actually spent some time with Ted and Em. They had a place in Toronto. I believe it was Alcorn the street. I may be mistaken. And it was funny because Ted was doing the homebrew, and he had the crop grown in the backyard, and had plenty of good meals there. And it was just a fun time. And one of the memories I remember is going to Grossman's Tavern. And I can't recall a band, but Grossman's was a bit of a dive, but I sure had a good time. And I think some of the other places we would have visited would have been like the Silver Dollar. That was a lot of fun. Next, we'll jump forward right to 2008. Me and Linda went out to Em's place. Dad had his heart attack, so she put us up for a couple weeks. And again, it was 2 weeks of just solid laughing. And I just remember having such a great time. I haven't seen Em for a few years. She was in Toronto, like I'm thinking it's maybe 10 years ago that I hooked up for her. And she had been had doing some partying with Scott Forbes, and I think had a bit of a hangover. But anyways, it kind of, when I picked her up, things got awry because we had to drive her into the emergency. There were some issues going there, but she bounced back once again. But anyways, even under that circumstances, there was something funny about it. I don't know why, but anyways, Em, happy birthday to you, and don't mind any of that other shit that was spit out by the Lord of Evil. I love you. Take care.
Hey, it's VJ from Canada doing a special shout out to Miss M from British Columbia on her birthday. Now, the Lord of Evil was not always such a bad guy. In fact, VJ was a regular baby-faced choir boy until Miss M got her talents into me and had a very bad influence on me in my life. When I turned 12 years old, she encouraged me to drink Grey Goose vodka, smoke reservation cigarettes, lie, steal, cheat, and have unprotected sex. She taught me that it was always important to be an asshole and to offend everyone and anybody I possibly could. Now, Miss Sam has been around for a long time. The Charleston was the latest dance craze in her heyday of partying. Miss Sam really liked the boys. She would often say a hard man is good to find, and that she never met a man she didn't want to fuck or didn't fuck. She always encouraged me to drink hard liquor, because she drank hard liquor. And it was because of her volume of consumption of spirits that it almost acted like an embalming fluid. And this is the reason why she hasn't aged in 30 years. Now, Miss M sure likes to smoke. It's said that her nicotine habit prevented the Imperial Tobacco Company from going broke during the Great Depression. Now, the Lord of Evil may be exaggerating, just a tad, but you would expect me to roast Miss M on her birthday, especially from the depths of hell. All joking aside, happy birthday, Em, and the Lord of Evil hopes you have many more milestones to come. Now, VJ is not exactly sure how old Miss M is, but carbon dating should be able to clear that up. Oh, love you, Em.